cutting grass strong. The walk-behind battery mowers can mow up to 1,300 sqft of medium-sized lawn on a full charge, and this electric lawn mower has a 13-in cutting width with 3400 rpm high-performance speed. You can cut your lawn with ease. 5 mowing height adjustments. The cordless lawn mower with 5 height adjustments. The battery lawn mower makes it easy to raise the blades from 1 in to 2.5 in, while also collecting the clippings in an 8-gallon bag. High-performance motor. The battery-powered lawn mower is powered by a high-performance motor, which is low maintenance, low noise, and powerful compared to conventional motors, ensuring maximum performance and longer, smoother running time. Easy to fold. The lawn mower electric ensures a healthy working posture with an adjustable handle, which reduces the strain on your arms and back. The folding handle saves storage space, even in tight garden sheds and garages. The carrying handle makes it easy to carry the lightweight mower. Battery universal. The lawn mower battery powered comes with one X20000 mAh battery that can work continuously for 15 minutes, the same as a member of the Litheli series, with all the cordless freedom of the series. Lithium-ion rechargeable batteries can be used for all the products. And, at the same time, lithium-ion rechargeable batteries can be used for emergency charging of cell phones, computers, tablets, and other electronic devices.